new YouTubers learn from my mistake. Okay, from my mistakes here. So I'm a new YouTuber like you, and I just went live right now. Oh my goodness. After announcing on my community post that I'm coming live. I put the time and everything. I came live. Yeah, nobody attended, but I spoke my mind, everything I had in mind. I said what I'm learning, what I'm doing, and everything. After saying all that, I was like, okay, because I've not done this before. I don't even know how it is operated. I could see the live, so I want to believe I was live. That I'm going to post that live the way we do it on Instagram. Post it to my community, my audience in my channel so that they can watch what they have missed. And I discovered that the only thing I could see after posting it and I went to check, you know, was the ending, trying to say, I'm just learning this, so I'm trying to post this. And I'm like, is this all after 30 whole minutes? So that is my predicament right now. I'm going to search for if automatically there's a way YouTube saves that live so that I can actually post it. So that I don't just start crying right now. That's the truth. I don't want to start crying right now. It is my birthday and I just look at me. I created time. I went to do makeup. See my makeup. I did it myself. It's not professional. Don't mind me. But see what I did just to come on live. And YouTube is telling me that it's just those two words that I said for 30 minutes. I don't want to believe so. I'm going to research how I will look for the whole 30 minutes and post it so that you see what I actually said. Okay. But I'm making this video because of what just happened right now. I hope I will see that video, honestly, so that I don't cry. I don't want to cry. It will pain me if I don't find it. So if you know and you are watching this video, that blessing. It's ignorance that is worrying you. You don't know this aspect of YouTube. It's just to do videos. And you're like, okay, you want to help me. Just type in the comment section what I should do to, retrieve that live that I've watched. Is there a place in particular that YouTube will just save it that I can go and get it from? Please help my predicament. It's my birthday. Even in the live, I even sang for myself because nobody was there. Oh, this journey, we shall tell this story tomorrow. I sang for myself and I sang for all my birthday mates in that life. And YouTube is telling me that I can't find it again. Please, I have to look for it. Okay. So we are learning. And I told a very interesting story. No, no, no. We must see that that live video. We have to see it. I told a very interesting story. This kind of thing that is happening to me right now. I told a story about my experience, that I didn't know. Let me just repeat the story a bit here. So, in Excel, you have read-only documents. Is it only in Excel? I don't know, but it happened to me when I was using Excel. Read-only documents. Maybe I should just say some of those things that I said in this video, so that even if I don't find that video, I would have said it here. So in Excel, I got a job with an investment bank back then after I graduated from school, but I didn't know Excel at all. So I went to do one crash course on Excel like that. So it gave me, at least I know what to press in my keyboard to tell me something, 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 but I didn't know a lot. So I got the job and I needed to type in a huge, huge data, like so many names, account numbers, and all that. And I was typing this thing into read only, if you know what I mean. I typed everything into read only. I clicked on saved and went home that I finished work that day. I came back the next day and I didn't see, I couldn't find everything I've typed. You know what read only does? You can only read that that page. You can't put anything in. You cannot remove anything. If you even remove anything that is there already and you click save, it will not remove. Okay, so that's what happened. Based on ignorance, I typed it, I repeated it 3 times, and I don't even know if my colleagues even understood what was happening to me because I kept saying, but I typed this thing, I did this thing. But ignorance is a disease. Ignorance has just made me I don't know where my live video is right now. I'm going to search for it. By the time I find it, I'll come and teach you how I did it. I hope I find it too, honestly, so that I'll post it. So that if you didn't watch the live video, you can see it. Okay? Yes. So I don't know how many minutes I've spent explaining this my predicament right now. And another thing, because of that thing, I set camera facing me. I didn't know that it wasn't even capturing me properly. And I hope this one is okay. I believe this one is. But it's looking like the camera is even looking this way. Let me turn it to face me a bit. I think it's okay now. Yeah, so I hope I've not been wasting my time talking and this thing has not been capturing me because I'm using my back camera, so I can't even see. And nobody is at the other side telling me cut and stop and all that. So hopefully we wouldn't have wasted our time. Thank you so much and wish me happy birthday. Thank you. Should I sing the song again? No, let's go and look for the live video because I can't repeat everything that I did there, here, right now. No.